Hi there! Today in this video, we will show you how you can create a professional server on Discord. Like other social media, they have an option to create a group to build up a community. But for Discord, you have a server. You can create a different server for different purposes and add as many servers as possible. So let's create a Discord server on a mobile. To create a server, you need to tap on the plus icon. Now you can have a look, and based on what you need, you can create your server. For more, I'll create a game server for Free Fire. So I need to tap Gaming. Now you can choose for yourself or your club or community. Now set a name for your server. You can add pictures to it if you want. Tap Create Server. Here is your server link. You can share it with your friend if they want to join the Discord server. So I'll skip this part. Now let's see how you can add your friend or send a friend request to your friend. Now to send a friend request, you need to know the username of your friend's account. After that, you can tap the sound icon of your Discord apps. Now tap here. Now you need to enter your friend's username. Tap Send Friends Requesting. Or you can tap Nearby Scan and this will help you to friend. You can also search any specific server if you want. Now there are a lot more things that you can guys do from Discord. So guys, this is how you can create a Discord server on your mobile device. If you still want to know anything about the Discord server, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.